The human body is like a well-controlled chemical plant. With such perfection, we have planned an AIQ reactor. To develop a free and innovative reactor, we have designed the flow based on 3D printing technology. We have combined them in stable cubic shape, implementing our powerful flow chemistry. Fast, sometimes slowly, warm or cold. The AIQ reactor analyzes the temperature, pressure, flow rate, and even raw material input using AI for automatic setup, maintaining high yield and stability. You can freely select materials depending on the reaction characteristics. You can also make various synthesis and applications by using big data. You can get the desired results in a short time, as much as you want. A new paradigm of economical flow chemistry that guarantees high yield, eco-friendliness, and safety. That is the AIQ reactor.